Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Couldn't bring you along with me all the way through the floor. And then we put the cabinet in, faucet, cast iron tub, happens to be 54 inches. This is what they picked out, and this is the shower tub thing. They call that. Anyway, it holds the shower curtain, and that was quite an ordeal. But this is what you can do with a mobile home, and this is their good taste, not mine. This is their good taste in puppy too. Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.